Hello everyone, today we will present you verb plus object plus infinitive or gerund in English. Let's start. Verb plus object plus to plus infinitive. We often use the following verbs plus object plus, not to plus infinitive. Advise, allow, ask, beg, cause, enable, encourage, expect, force, help, intend, invite, order, persuade, remind, take time, teach, tell, and warn. For example, she advised him not to travel by train. We expect the flight to arrive at 1950. It took us ages to get there. After some verbs including arrange, ask, plan, and wait, we put for immediately after the verb before the object plus to plus infinitive. For example, I'm waiting for my friend to arrive. We've arranged for a taxi to come at 6:30. We also often use verb plus object plus to plus infinitive with want, would like, would love, would prefer, and would hate. After all these verbs, a that clause is impossible. For example, I want Arsenal to win. I would hate you think that I don't appreciate your offered help. I'd like you to send me the bill. Verb plus object plus infinitive without to. We can use object plus infinitive without to after let, make, and help. Help can be followed by object plus infinitive with or without to. For example, please let me explain. He made me feel really guilty. My parents helped me buy a car. Verb plus object plus gerund. We often use the following verbs plus object plus gerund: dislike, hate, imagine, involve, keep, mind, prevent, remember, risk, and stop. For example, please don't keep me waiting. I dislike people telling me what to do. I don't mind you watching the TV, but please could you turn the sound down a bit? That's all for today. Don't forget to follow us on social media. I wish you a nice week. See you.